YouTube, welcome back to another episode of Recoildistrict. My name is Jay, and we got something in the mail. So let me give you a little backstory. I work in the oil field. I wear fire retardant clothing all day, every day with steel toe boots. So when I'm at home or when I'm not at work, 9 out of 10, you're gonna catch me some basketball shorts with some slides, let my feet breathe. I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you. So what I used to wear before, of course, you know, I don't put a holster on with basketball shorts or sweatpants or anything like that. So I used to wear a company called Smart Carry. It was kind of like a pouch. It worked. It did what I needed it to do. It wrapped around my waist and just had a pouch by the midsection, by the jewelry. You know what I'm saying? So it did what I needed it to do. But the problem that I was starting to have, well, I've been having, but I just got tired of dealing with it. It printed a lot by the crotch, all the jewelry down there. You know what I'm saying? And it was very noticeable, very noticeable. Where people would come up and ask me, you know, police have came up and asked me questions before. I think because, you know, they kind of already know how stuff goes. So I wanted to switch it up. Love Smart Carry, it worked. You know, I just wanted to try something different and see how this goes. So this is leisurecarry clip-on belt. Now, I have fat guy holsters from jxtactical. Love their holsters. I have 2 of them, one on my SIG P365 and one on my Glock 43 OS. And I love those holsters. They sit low, do what I need them to do, is positioned correctly. Like I said in the other video, I got a little belly. So I wear it at 2 o'clock, not straight 12. So on the jxtactical website, they only had the 11-inch clip-on belt. But I had to go to the actual leisurecarry website to get the clip-on belt XL. I don't know if you can see that. This is the 14-inch clip-on belt. Need a little bit of extra room because I'm a little wider than most people. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Heard a lot of good things about this company, looking at reviews and looking on YouTube like everybody else, trying to do some research before you try to go buy something. So I just went ahead and pulled the trigger. I didn't have a conversation with them. I paid this with my own money. Of course, I'll put the link in the description where I got it and what it is, and you'll see the price and everything else. But this is out of my own pocket. I'm a new channel, so ain't nobody about to give me nothing for free, at least not yet. And of course, I'll tell you, I don't play like that. So immediately after opening it, I like the presentation. I really do. I do. Immediately after opening the box, I'm guessing these are stickers. I don't know what the hell this is. I'm guessing they're stickers. That's cool. Black. I think they only came in black. That's the only color they come in. I wanted to look at the edges, and the edges are pretty rounded. I don't really see any sharp edges. It's very sturdy also, very sturdy. I thought it was gonna be a little more flimsy than this, but I don't know nothing about these. I never had these before, so I don't know what to judge it off of. I just, you know, my theory, I guess you could say. Very sturdy. I like that you can adjust these clips. I don't know if you can see these holes, but you can move the clips over if you want to change something up. I like that. I like having options with anything I own. Like options. The clips, multi-clips. I gotta open this motherfucker. Oh, there we go. I like it. Sturdy, very strong. Check both of them, make sure. All right. Then I see right here, got some soft padding, because I guess this sharp part is gonna be up against your skin, and they got the padding right there to try to help that out. I like that a lot, matter of fact, because I be moving around, so I like that, because I can tell these things can easily cut something. Easily scratch and draw blood and everything else. So I like this a lot. This is very well built, very well thought out, and yeah, I really do like this. Damn, they did a good job. I give it to them. They did a good job with this. This is definitely something I'm gonna be trying out. I guess we can go ahead and try a firearm with it. I'm not gonna put it on, but try a firearm and clip it. I'm gonna see how it fits. This is a jxtactical fat guy holster. I got my SIG P365 in here. Make sure it's clear. 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 It's got a little thumb safety. Anyway, so it'd be probably about right here. Oh yeah. I want it to be able to move. I don't want it to be just stuck, because I know once it goes against my skin and these clip and lock in place, this ain't going nowhere. I don't wear real loose clothes, so that's fine with me. Completely fine with me. And then these clips, it's got like a little retention right here. I don't know if you can see it. So even if you try to pull this, it ain't going nowhere. And I'm really putting force on this. It's not budging. So I can go ahead and move this over. Then I also got spare mag. This is my 43X spare mag. I just grabbed it, whatever was hooked up to it. Clip this on. I'm gonna have that over there. This over here. Yeah, I like this. Like I said, I don't have a problem with it being loose. Cause like I said, once this clips on, these lock on shorts, sweatpants, whatever, and this presses up against the body, and I know I'm gonna have my drawstring tied up, so it's gonna be tension around the waist. This stuff ain't going nowhere, so I'm not concerned about that at all. I like this setup, and can't wait to try it. Of course, I'll make another video, probably like a 60 days or something like that. Show you how it go. It is springtime, so I will be wearing a lot of basketball shorts and stuff like that. So it is spring break, matter of fact. So I had plenty of time to try this out. Plenty of time. All right, so initial thoughts. I like it a lot. I like the presentation. I like the sturdiness of these clips, because that was I'm not gonna say a concern, but I was wondering about it. I had thoughts about it, wondering how strong it was gonna be. And they checked all the boxes. It's round around the edges, so you don't have to worry about nothing digging in your skin. You got this padding right here to protect your skin from these clips, because this will make you draw some blood. So I like it a lot. I like it. I can't wait to try it. Like I said, I'll do another video a couple months down the road, giving y'all an update right in time for the summer. Here we go. Appreciate y'all, man. I had a link in the description for both sizes. Like I said, this is the 14-inch, but I'll have a link in the description for the 11-inch also. But thank y'all for tuning in, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.